We're doing here today is having interaction with our members and legislators so that we can hear directly from legislators. We can also hear from policy experts how to address some of these very challenging issues, which include COVID, but other issues.
What are the main issues for Kansas?
Well, taxes are always an issue. How do we deal with COVID on everything from vaccine distribution to unemployment claims? And how should the Emergency Management Act be structured? It was written not for in anticipation of a pandemic, but for floods, fires, tornadoes. And so those are some very important issues that I think a lot of folks on all sides of the aisles are trying to get to a consensus on. COVID has certainly had an impact. We're doing worse than some states, doing better than others. We have a lot of essential businesses that have been part of the COVID recovery. So there's parts of the Kansas economy that are doing very well. There's others, hospitality and restaurants have been struggling. Unemployment still is an issue, so it's a mixed bag, but I think a lot of us were fearing a lot worse when this all hit in February and March. We've been interacting with policymakers a lot of times behind the scenes, letting the governor's office know some of the concerns and issues we have. They've worked very well with us on trying to address some of those in the best way. Not everything gets done by passing a bill. Sometimes it's an action by the agency. And then we've led the effort on a map on COVID recovery, both economic and health-wise, by having certain standards in place for safety, et cetera, but also some of the economic issues, which it does include taxes and getting more money out into the private sector.